Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull on the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To be able to access the spark plugs, you must first remove the air inlet conduit. Using multi-grip pliers, compress the hose clamp on the air inlet conduit, pulling it along to release the conduit. Repeat the operation on the other side of the conduit. Finally, remove it. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. Disconnect the electric part of each coil. To do this, leave the plastic tab with a thin flathead screwdriver and pull the connector upwards. With a 10mm spanner, remove the halting screws on the coil and unscrew by hand to save time. To remove the coils, take a thick flathead screwdriver. Insert it between the coil corner and the cylinder head cover. Levering it with a screwdriver, lift the coil and put it upwards with your other hand. We suggest changing the spark plugs one by one, as it is important not to get them mixed up. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 60mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and unscrew by hand to save time. Tip: if the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and, using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily. Insert the new spark plug into the spark plug socket, which will provide support until screwing. Start tightening by hand. Then fix it in place with a socket wrench. Finish the process with no more than 1/16 of a turn. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. Then put the screw back in place, fixing it with a wrench. Then reconnect the power connector. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Once finished, reattach the air inlet conduit. Using multi-grip pliers, put the hose clamp back. Operation completed.